Hey everyone, my name is Jackie and I'm the creator from The Wild Apothecary. Today we're going to be cooking venison steaks on the campfire, and the meat marinade that I have actually used is Kickaboo's meat juice. This is very easy to use. You just pour it on, rub it in, and you're good to go. I like to let it sit for about 24 hours, but you can put it on and cook it. Doesn't matter. I also like to use their seasoning, the dry rub. It's onion and garlic. So at the point before I put it on the grill, I'm going to rub a little bit of this on it. It's going to taste amazing. Can't wait, guys. A little additive to dinner, some bell pepper and banana peppers from the garden. I rubbed them in some mustard oil and put a little bit of the Kickaboo garlic and onion dry rub seasoning on it. And I'm just going to grill it here on the cast iron over the fire. I'm going to throw the steak on very soon. Alright guys, the grill's really hot right now. The veggies have been on for a little while and they're just about done. I'm going to put the steak on now. And I'm just going to put it a little bit opposite of the fire here. There we go. And I'm going to rub a little bit of the dry rub seasoning on it. There we go. And then just tap it in. Just be a little careful with the flames. That'll go down a little bit. And move that around a bit. Don't want it too hot, but you want the flame to just kiss your steak. It's going to be delicious. Hey everybody, the steak's done. Looks amazing. Oh my god, it's so good. So, as you can see here, I'm going to take a dip into barbecue sauce that we actually make here on the homestead. And let's try it. Oh my god. This is great. You guys definitely got to try it. The Kickaboo meat juice and their dry rub seasoning. Oh my god. So good. I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing, but there you go. I'm going to go eat my meal now. And that was campfire cooking venison steak with some roasted peppers that were grown on the homestead. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for our next video. I'm gonna go eat now.